Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video I will show you our pneumatic point machine to work on our point diamond tools much easier. If you like our point tools which are working on vertical, we have a great handpiece for you. That's our pneumatic point machine. As you can see, the machine has a 90-degree head. That head gives you the ability to work much easier. You can hold the handpiece easily with 90-degree head and you can work on your jewelry goods very comfortable. The machine is made in United States and it has a 80,000 RPM. It's a pneumatic machine and it gets power from the air compressor. My air compressor is a 200 liter 4 horsepower one. If you have a stronger compressor, much better for the durability of your work. It's very easy to switch on and switch off your pneumatic point machine. You just move behind of the machine and the tool starts running. I will use a bangle to show you our pneumatic point machine because the surface is great. It's a really big surface so you can see the effect easily. The speed is 80,000 RPM, don't forget. We have more than 30 pieces of different point tools. You can download our tool catalog on our website on www.bulunmaz.com and see all our different tools. Before I show you different point tools, I wanna show you how to change the tools with the pneumatic point machine. You have to open with a key and take out your tool easily. You fix the small key on the back side and the big key just to open it easily. You open your tool, take it out and you can put the next tool and just lock it back easily. I will show you three different tools now, a circle tool, lining tool and the big size tools. All the name of the tools will be written below. If you have more questions about our pneumatic point machine, just write on the comments below, we will reply you immediately. Or you can contact us anytime you want, we have WhatsApp number, email address, everything below. Don't forget, you can also use our electric machine to use point tools. If you already have our electric machine or you wanna invest for a machine for flywheel tools and point tools together, that's a good option. If you remember, pneumatic point machine has a 80,000 RPM speed, but the electric machine has a speed of 50,000 RPM. But don't worry, that difference doesn't make a big impact on the result. I'm starting my electric micromotor to 50,000 RPM and work vertically. see everything is possible with Bulunmaz. If you are manufacturing jewelry, we have a lot of options for you. If you wanna know more about our products, have a look at our YouTube channel. You will find lots of different interesting videos. And if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. That will be a great support for us to reach more bigger audiences. Thank you so much for watching us and see you again in the next videos.